Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Ramadan daily vlog. Wow, we are literally like 2 or 3 videos away from the end of Ramadan, and yeah, it's been a long one, but well, it's been a long one for me because I've been posting every single day, but no complaints over here. I've actually really loved the challenge. Right now, I'm actually about to head out. I'm looking for my phone. I have no idea where I put it. Typical. But I need to head out because I'm filming a Revlon video today, and I just need to pick up a couple more products because I thought I had them, but I didn't. So I didn't really want to bother the PR company. I was just like, I'll go by myself. So I am heading out to do that now. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to start off the vlog. I wasn't sure if I was going to vlog today or post another video tomorrow, but I just figured, you know, my last 2 videos, actually, I guess just my last video wasn't a vlog, so I'm sure you guys missed them. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood today, and I'm so happy. I'm literally leaving for LA in a week, which is so crazy. Normally I'm like so excited to go to LA, which I totally am, of course, I love LA. But I have so much work. Sorry, I'm just opening my car. I have so much work to do in between now and when I leave for LA that I'm just like stressed out. And I know that I'll be able to do it because I always do it, but your girl is stressed, okay? Your girl is stressed. But it should be fun. I'm of course gonna be seeing Shaht again, so I'm very excited for that. And then, you know, VidCon, which is always a fun time. So I'm gonna get going. Maybe I'll set you guys up. Actually, no, I just need to go get my stuff, film this video, and move on because your girl is very busy. There's a lot of stuff that I'm doing behind the scenes that you guys will eventually know about. But it is stressful and it costs a lot of money, and it's just a lot. But your support means a lot, so thank you guys. Anyways, I will see you when I see ya. So I'm finally done with the Revlon video. Here is a little sneak preview of the makeup. I'm so happy with how it turned out, / like hella impressed. But anyways, I don't really have much. Ooh, actually I was gonna say I don't really have much to update you guys on, but I think your girl officially made it onto the Fenty Beauty PR list. That was a really long sentence, but guys, look what showed up today. Okay, I have seen literally every single poppin' YouTuber unbox this thing, and I'm so excited. I mean, it's a couple weeks late, but I mean, that's what Canada always gets. So I got this gorgeous package, and they even included the primer, which you guys know is my obsession, and the foundation. The foundation's in 420. For some reason it looks so much lighter, but I actually just got a 400 shade, so I'm gonna be using that. And then you guys know I've been loving the powder, so I'm really glad that I have the brush for it now. And then I got all of this, so I actually have like a ton of backups. So you guys are getting a little sneak preview of this, but I'm actually collaborating with Sephora and Fenty Beauty very soon. So I'm gonna be making a tutorial on this makeup look, basically. Like, I kind of want to do a Rihanna inspired makeup look using that new collection. So they actually sent over, like literally today, Sephora sent over this package right over here. And it has like all of the Fenty Beauty stuff. So I have like the brush, I have, what's it called? I have all of the highlighters and everything like that. So I think I'm just gonna do a giveaway with this entire thing. Minus this because I need this for the tutorial. But everything else I pretty much have. Oh, and minus the foundation too, because your girl also needs that. So I think, you know what? Let's do a giveaway in this video. Why not? I'm gonna be giving away pretty much the entire Fenty Beauty lip gloss collection. Not lip gloss collection. I don't know what this is called. The summer collection, I guess. So all 3 kilowatt foils. Oh, I'm so excited for you guys. And also the lip gloss set. So if you guys want to win that, then you guys know the rules already. Okay, you gotta comment below Or sorry, no. Okay, let's do this in order. So you gotta be a subscriber on my channel. You have to like this video. You have to follow me on Instagram. And then leave any comment down below. Just... oh, and also leave your Instagram handle with whatever comment. Just so that I can contact you guys. All the official rules will be linked down below as always. But I'm so excited. Am I super zoomed in? I can't tell. Okay, I think I was a little zoomed in. This is what happened. Initially, I had actually purchased one of the highlights, so the Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise. I had purchased that on Sephora, as well as the lip gloss set, as well as I think like the eye duo or something. And then I was gonna do a video on it, and then Sephora reached out and they were like, oh, we want to do a video with you. So I was like, yes, okay, I'm down. So they sent that over today, and then literally the same day I got this Fenty Beauty package, which I'm not complaining because I'm super happy that, you know, I'm just so blessed to be able to receive things like this. So I really want to give back to the people that matter most to me online, which is you guys. So anyways, I need to clean my room because anytime I film, it turns into this. It's just like mess upon mess. I need to put back all the makeup. But you guys will see this makeup tutorial coming up very soon, probably in the next like week and a half to 2 weeks, probably sometime when I'm in LA actually. So just stay tuned, but I'm really happy that I could do that giveaway for you guys. I'm so excited. So yeah, I think I don't have any food today, and I wasn't honestly planning on making any food. Oh my god, I was literally just about to grab, because I left this open. I don't drink the whole thing, and I was about to grab it and drink it. But anyways, yeah, I don't really know what to make tonight. Like, we have no food. It's 7 o'clock right now, so I do have time to go to the grocery store and get something. I don't know what to get though. What have I always wanted to make? I think I'm just gonna look through, yeah, I'm gonna look through the whole 30 book and then decide what I want to make. And then we'll make it together as always. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, I gave up. I don't know, I'm just like not in the mood to cook anything today. Oddly enough, normally I'm like always up for it. But I decided to just order off of Skip the Dishes. So my order is currently going in right now. I don't know if you can even see that. But I ordered some Pakistani food. I think it's Pakistani. I'm pretty sure it's Pakistani food. Yay, my order's confirmed. I got food from this place called Zamzam Tikka. And they are seriously so good. It's very similar to like Lahore Tikka House, if you guys are familiar with that from Toronto. But if you guys don't know what Skip the Dishes is, it's like, it's kind of like an Uber Eats, but I like it better. They have like more options and stuff, and more like diverse options, I find. But yeah, if you guys want to save $7 off your first order on Skip the Dishes, this is not sponsored, but I mean, I get money from it, you guys get money from it, or money off. So it's like a win-win. But I will have my link down below for you guys to sign up. I know a lot of you guys have in the past, so thank you so much. I have used your credits that you gave me, so it's been amazing. You know, my stomach gets to be fed. But basically I just ordered the meat. I ordered like their barbecue platter and then chicken tikka, I believe, because I'm just gonna eat it with salad anyway. So yeah, I'm still gonna eat healthy, so whatever. That's what I'm gonna eat. I'm like, so I don't know why, but towards the last week of Ramadan, like it always hits me the hardest. Like today I'm so hungry and so fatigued, but then I was also filming all day, so I feel like that's the reason why I'm also tired. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and edit a little bit, and hopefully, you know, time goes by fast so that I can eat soon. I'm so exhausted, what the heck? The food is here, guys. I'm gonna try really carefully not to get my arms in because I'm wearing a t-shirt. But the food is here, I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a little bit, actually I need my tripod. I'm gonna do a little bit of a mukbang so that you guys can see. I feel like I do this in every vlog though. But I want y'all to see. Oh my god, why is this so blue? The fudge. Good morning.
Hello. Hi. How you doing?
My mom always listens to this thing called Pal Talk. I'm sure if you're gay so or Harari, then you know what it is. But I got the food, got the goods, and I'm excited to eat. Time to break our fast. Want you? Mm. Amir doesn't eat timir.
Why you gotta expose again?
Because you don't eat timir. He's a goa. Hey?
Very goa. The best.
That means dumb in our language.
See how I'm being emotionally abused?
Yeah?
I said emotionally.
Daily
Finish it,
ritual.
Amir.
I don't believe
Of
the
soup.
fact that
Lemon. This one's dry. I use this.
Lemon. Lemon.
Lemon? What's that?
Lumi lemon, lumi lemon, lumi lemon, lumi.
Mama's embarrassed.
they
Shaking her.
told him like, you know, Gawa people.
You care too much about they.
Yeah.
Don't never listen to they.
They don't want you to win.
They don't want you to be happy.
They don't want you to eat good food.
Never listen to they.
Listen to yourself.
They don't want
Do
you
what you have to do. You live for yourself, not for the people.
Sah.
Done no.
Ah.
My mom hates us. She's not wearing a hijab right now, or else I would have showed you her face. It's priceless. You know what time it is? It's time for the food. Oh. Shoot.
Ah. Shamlaka.
تاني واحد وش.
I thought it was salad. This is salad.
Oh.
Ours. We got chicken tikka. A juicy chicken tikka because it's dripping all over the place. We got whatever this is. We got whatever this is. And then for the star of the show. Oh no, my battery's gonna die. No. Let me see if I can show
You got veneer?
No. For the star of the show. Watch it die as soon as I open it. Oh, okay, we're good. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Look at that.
Those ribs?
This is
No.
all chicken?
Lamb chops, beef, and chicken. So good. Okay, I gotta switch my battery out real quick. I'll be back.
Carbs means what?
Carbs? It's like rice and
Oh.
what? They gypped us.
Why?
There's supposed to be beef kebab in here.
This one?
No, that's chicken. It's
Bring
okay,
this.
though. I like this anyways. Do you want lamb, Mama?
Yeah, give it.
You want? So it's ours all done now. And usually, I totally forgot to do my apple cider vinegar thing. I've been trying to have like a shot of apple cider vinegar before eating. Just to like cleanse my body and just, I don't know, kind of lose a couple more pounds this week because I really want to reach a certain goal. But anyways, I totally forgot to do that. I might just do it before suhoor. But what I've been doing lately is drinking this Vega Sport electrolyte hydrator. Looks like this. It's basically just a powder that you mix with water, and it really like keeps your body hydrated and gives you all like the electrolytes basically that you need. So I'm just gonna make that right now. I have my little Starbucks cup, and I got this from Healthy Planet, which is like a health food store in Toronto. But I'm pretty sure you can find this on like iHerb or any one of those like healthy food online shops. This is really good, especially if you work out a lot. It'll really replenish, you know, yourself. And yeah, I personally like to shake it, or else you get like, these like, oh shoot. Oh no, I did not close this properly. I have literally been spilling everything today. Like if you guys were to see my pants right now, covered in food. I did not close that properly. think that should be good. And then you basically just fill the rest up with water. So I fill about that much with water. It's essentially like 2 cups. And then what I've been doing recently is taking this Zevia cream soda and I just put that inside. I'm gonna go edit now. The workday really never stops for me. Like, I'm just constantly working. I feel like after Ramadan is done, it'll be a little more relaxed, thankfully, but next week is LA, that's all I'm telling myself.